We also want to tell you about the fight against Ebola tonight. The Trump administration today, in a shift of U.S. policy, announced plans to set up a quarantine and treatment center in Kenya for Americans exposed to the deadly virus while they're overseas. In past outbreaks, patients were medevaced back here to the U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio now saying no Ebola patients will be allowed into the U.S. Here's senior national correspondent Mark Strassmann.
Starting today, Houston Bush International became one of 3 U.S. airports playing defense against Ebola. All Americans returning from 3 African countries will undergo mandatory enhanced screening. This Houston airport expects to average up to 50 screened passengers a day.
We cannot and will not allow any cases of Ebola to enter the United States.
In another sign of the growing African crisis, Uganda today closed its border with the Democratic Republic of Congo. The WHO has declared the deadly outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. For now, there is no vaccine.
Africa said this is part of the team that is working on the vaccine.
The Trump administration plans to set up a quarantine facility for Americans in Kenya. A former CDC official CBS News talked to called that move unethical and irresponsible because Kenya doesn't have the proper containment facility or much experience dealing with Ebola. One affected American missionary, Dr. Peter Stafford, has responded well in a Berlin hospital to antiviral and supportive treatments. 6 other Americans have been transported to Germany and the Czech Republic for monitoring.
Atlanta's airport and Washington Dulles also have this enhanced screening. New York's JFK will ramp up tomorrow midnight. And on everyone's radar with all this, international soccer teams and their fans are about to pour into the U.S. for the World Cup, now 2 weeks away. Tony?
Mark Strassmann on a big story for us tonight. Mark, thank you very much.